So the other day I'm not going to lie to you. I was procrastinating. Here's what happened. I was sitting on my computer doing some work when a little gremlin climbed onto my lap, started pointing at the screen and going car, car, car. So I searched for car games and this is the first thing that comes up. It's like Trackmania in your browser. Loads in like 5 seconds. Yeah, it's a little low poly, but there's no ads, no in-app purchases. You don't even need an account. And there's leaderboards and the ghost car and custom maps. This is so cool. As soon as I saw this, I knew that it was ThreeJS. I just didn't realize how good these games had gotten. Like, the games that people are making in the browser now are seriously impressive. But the best part of all this is that it's just done using native browser technologies, which means I can just open the DevTools, right-click on the model for the car, and replace it with the Dynaco Blue Lightning McQueen. This is what the open internet is all about. It's about Dynaco Blue Lightning McQueen. And if you can't see that, you're just wrong. This is the most important thing right now. Playing this, like the handling, feels strangely similar to when I used to play the open world cars game on the Wii. Did anyone else used to play that? Is that a core memory for anyone? No? Just me? Okay. But yeah, let's not talk about the brake lights or the eyes, please. That's a work in progress. It'll get better. Take a look at this one. It's a beautiful little game where you deliver messages around a tiny planet. It's got the Super Mario Galaxy type gravity, so when you walk around you clear the horizon. The art style is awesome. It runs butter smooth even on mobile. It's so easy to control, even non-gamers can play, and it's just a joy to play. Here's another one. This guy, his portfolio is a game where you drive a little truck around. Sorry, did I say little truck? I meant Dynaco Blue Lightning McQueen. You drive Dynaco Blue Lightning oh, no, sorry, oops. Let me try that again. I meant to say you drive around as Dynaco Blue Lightning McQueen. There we go, much better. This website is so good. There's achievements, a racetrack with a leaderboard, a bowling alley, and even normal portfolio stuff like links and projects and whatever. You know, I thought I was growing up in the glory days, but this is what I used to play on the school laptops when I was bored in class. Meanwhile, kids these days have a complete Minecraft clone for free that all runs within the browser. And do you know how much time I spent trying to get guns into Minecraft? This game comes with an AK-47. Are you kidding? Here's my brand new ThreeJS game. You drive around as Lightning McQueen, Dynaco Blue, obviously. You know how that guy did that talk about how to make a racing game? You have to understand the relationship between the chassis and the gearbox and the tires and the wheels and the road. Yeah, this is not that at all. I don't even have collisions set up. But I'm going to add some survival elements and put it on Steam Early Access for $40. Please wishlist if you can. Not all of these are using ThreeJS specifically, but the awesome part about all this is that it's running on the GPU. Yes, you still have a layer of JavaScript in there, which sucks because it's JavaScript, but the graphics for these games actually run on the GPU. The main disadvantage here is that you have to download all the assets on every visit, which is why a lot of these games tend to be low poly. But the accessibility is just unreal. And I think if we come together, we can create a world where every game has Dynaco Blue Lightning McQueen as the main character. This is what it's all been about. The price of RAM and AI and politics and capitalism and inflation, none of that matters because I can right-click on the assets directly in the game and change them to be Dynaco Blue Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow.